posting is not equals to marketing. Yes, I said it. If you think hitting publish means marketing, then stop right there. The truth, posting without destination is just online activity. It's noise. Targeting an exact right audience, solving a highly specific problem, engineering people to take action, tracking the metrics that actually matter. Stop making noise and start driving conversions. Interested? Drop a comment and let's talk about your brand conversions.